Hi! Good evening everyone and welcome to my vlog. For tonight's vlog, I'm gonna show you how to make a do-it-yourself pirate treasure chest. So the materials that we need are a marker, a glue, jewelry stickers, scissors, scotch tape, an empty box, and of course, 2 colored papers. Okay, for step 1, you have to cut the papers or the colored papers according to the length and the width of your box. Okay, for step 2, you have to cover the box with these colored papers. You may need a glue or a tape to put them together. For step 3, you are going to cut these excess parts of the box. Okay, class, when you are using the scissors, please ask for help from your mom or your dad or your big sister or your big brother. Now, for step 4, please get another piece of paper and then form a shape like this. So for the next step, trace the shape of this cover of the box. You have to cut like this and then attach it here on the sides of the box. Okay, you can use a glue to put them together, or you can use the tape as well. Okay, class, you may cut the excess part of this paper. Okay, so here is your treasure chest now. Okay, and for the last part of this project, you are going to put some jewelry stickers around it to make it more beautiful. So I bought these stickers in Mr. D.I.Y. Now class, if you don't have any jewelry stickers, you may use any kind of stickers, okay, that you have at home. Or if you still have no stickers, then you just draw or cut any pictures and then place it around your treasure chest. It's up to you and how you decorate your treasure chest. So this is now the final output of my treasure chest. Okay, and then when you open it, you can put here anything that you would like to put. Like you can put your jewelries, your accessories inside. Now it's time to make your own treasure chest. Thank you for watching.